How to travel to the UAE for free. Most people dream of visiting the UAE luxury hotels, futuristic cities, and golden desserts but think it's too expensive. If I told you there are real, legitimate ways to travel to Dubai, Abu Dhabi, or Sharjah without spending a single dirham on flights or hotels. No scams, no shady schemes, just smart, legal strategies that real people use every year. Here is how you can do it too. Number 1. Get sponsored by a UAE company or event. How it works: many businesses, conferences, and festivals invite international guests and cover their flights and hotels. Examples: GuiTech's Technology Week Dubai tech professionals can get sponsored trips if they apply as speakers or exhibitors. Dubai Food Festival chefs, food bloggers, and influencers get invited for free. Abu Dhabi Film Festival filmmakers and critics receive complimentary travel packages. How to get invited: network on LinkedIn, connect with UAE event organizers. Apply early, check event websites for speaker or delegate applications. Show your value if you're a blogger, artist, or expert. Pitch why they should host you. Number 2. Work as a flight attendant or cruise ship staff. How it works: airlines like Emirates, Etihad, and Flydubai hire cabin crew from all over the world. Cruise lines like Costa and MSC also hire staff for UAE-based ships. Perks: free flights and sometimes free hotel stays during layovers. Free accommodation while working on a cruise ship docked in Dubai. How to apply: check airline cruise career pages. No experience: some entry-level roles require only customer service skills. Number 3. Teach English or a specialized skill. How it works: U schools, universities, and training centers often hire foreign teachers and cover relocation costs. Who gets hired? English teachers with TEFL certification, sports coaches, football, swimming, etc. University professors, especially in engineering, medicine, or business. How to apply: search and bait, Double jobs, or teach away. Some programs like Emirates Teaching Initiative offer free flights plus housing. Number 4. Become an au pair or live-in tutor. What is an au pair or live-in tutor? Wealthy families in the UAE, especially in Dubai and Abu Dhabi, often hire foreigners to teach their children English or other subjects. Live-in tutor. Help with childcare, homework, and activities. Au pair. Why this is a great opportunity: free accommodation, usually a private room in a luxury home. Free meals, most families provide food. Stipend, salary, some pay 5,1,500 month. Flight reimbursement, some families cover your airfare. Visa sponsorship, they handle your UAE residency permit. Who can apply? Native or fluent English speakers, biggest demand. Teachers, tutors, or students with childcare experience. Females preferred due to cultural norms, but some families hire males. Step-by-step guide to getting hired. Step 1. Prepare your profile. Resume, highlight teaching, tutoring, or childcare experience. Reference letters if possible. TFL certificate not always required but helps. Step 2. Where to find jobs. Au pair agencies, they handle visa and placement. Great Au Pair. Aupairworld.com. Nanny services.UAE based. Facebook groups direct family contacts, Dubai nannies and tutors jobs. Abu Dhabi domestic helpers. Local UAE job sites, Double.com under domestic helpers or tutoring jobs. Gulftalent.com. Step 3. The interview process. Most families will video call you first. Be professional but friendly way. Families value trustworthiness. Ask about working hours, typically 3,040 hours per week. Days off, usually 12 per week. Flight reimbursement, not all offer this, but some do. Step 4. Visa and contract. The family will sponsor your UAE residence visa. Sign a clear contract: salary, duties, holidays. Never pay an agency fee. Legitimate jobs don't charge you. Example: I found a family in Dubai on Great Au Pair. They paid my flight, gave me my own room, and I worked 6 hours a day teaching their kids English. I had weekends free to explore the UAE. Sarah, 24, UK. Number 5. Win a scholarship or internship. Why UAE scholarships and internships are amazing. The UAE government and top universities offer fully funded programs that include free tuition if studying, monthly allowance 100 billion 10 million 3,000 in some cases, free flights round-trip airfare, free housing, university dorms, or stipend for rent, visa sponsorship. They handle everything. Types of opportunities. University scholarships, undergrad and master's, PhD. Top UAE universities with full scholarships. Khalifa University covers 100% tuition plus monthly salary. NYU Abu Dhabi full ride scholarships for top students. UAE University U offers full funding for master's, PhD. How to apply? Check university websites. Deadlines vary. Need strong grades, GPA 3.0 plus usually. Some require IELTS, TOEFL English test. B. Government and corporate internships. Dubai internship program, paid internships in top companies. Masdar Institute internship, renewable energy research, free housing plus stipend. Emirates Group careers, paid internships in aviation. How to apply? Search UAE government internship. Many are listed on official sites. LinkedIn. Follow UAE companies like ADNOC, DP World. C. Cultural exchange programs. Al Ghurair scholarship for Arab students. Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed scholarship for outstanding global students. Step-by-step application process. Find the right program. Google Your Field plus UAE Scholarship 2024. Prepare documents, transcripts, recommendation letters, personal statement. Apply early. Some close 6 months in advance. Ace the interview if required. Pro tip: if you don't qualify for scholarships, check work-study programs where you teach. Research in exchange for free tuition, housing. Number 6. Volunteer programs with free accommodation. Why volunteering in the UAE is unique. Most people think the UAE is only for luxury travel. But NGOs, hostels, and eco-projects need volunteers, and some offer free stays in exchange for work. Types of volunteer opportunities. Hostel work exchange, free stay plus meet travelers. How it works: help with reception, cleaning, or events for free accommodation. Where to find? World Packers. CLM Dubai hostels like Backpackers 16. Workaway.info. Search UAE. Typical work: 20 hours week in exchange for a free dorm bed or private room. Some hostels also give free meals or discounts on tour. Beat environmental and animal volunteering. Desert conservation projects, Al Ain Wildlife Park. Marine conservation, volunteer with Dubai turtle rehabilitation. How to apply? Contact organizations directly. Some require a small fee but still cheaper than hotels. See event volunteering, free access to festivals. Example: volunteer at the Dubai Shopping Festival or Abu Dhabi F1 Grand Prix. Perks: free entry, sometimes free food plus transport. Where to find official event websites? Look for volunteer registration. Facebook groups like Dubai Volunteers. Step-by-step guide to volunteering in the UAE. Decide your interest: hostels, animals, events. Apply in advance. Some programs fill up fast. Check visa rules. Some volunteer visas exist, others use tourist visas. Confirm free benefits. Avoid scams. Read reviews. It's possible if you take action. These methods are 100% legal and proven. Real people use them every year to explore the UAE for free. Your next step: pick one strategy that fits your skills. Start applying today. Enjoy your free UAE adventure. Would you like help finding specific programs? Let me know.